Aloha. This is it's the fifth experiment with the Orgonite. Different pieces. I use pink quartz and this one to do another test. This is another one after 24 hours. Next test I'll leave it in a little bit longer because I think it does have an effect on how it comes out. But this one, I use different versions of or different mixes, I guess. This one was a piece. It's not full Orgonite that I was going to use. It doesn't have any copper spirals in it. I wanted to use some of the stuff without copper spirals to see what happened, but it does have gold, turquoise, mixed agate, and the Arkansas quartz, but no spiral on the back. I was actually going to use because it's hard and fast. So I was going to put this on another piece. That'll come out in a second. I wanted to redo the one with this one on it and see what would happen. Kind of like redo the so I did see slightly a little bit of a dome, but definite patterns like the past. Next time I'm also gonna separate them in the freezer. So I got a feeling that these fields that these put out are a lot bigger than just the space, I would imagine. So I would imagine that the ones around them are affecting them even slightly. Even if it's slightly at all, then I want to at least make sure that it's, just the pattern and not affected by another one. So this is pink quartz, or rose quartz, excuse me. You can see it there. This is rose quartz. Another definite pattern in there. Really cool how these patterns come out. This was you can see the design on there. This is a seed of life. Crushed up shells, fine copper shavings, magnetite, and copper spiral. I think this might be a double spiral too. So this one has this one on the other side, and it spins the other way on the other side. And came out looks like the kind of scattered, like the regular just card one from the last video. So that's this one. The way they come out differently is really cool. Like so this one, that's this one, something like that. This one, really with Horus. Same makeup. Some of these have spirals and some of them don't. This one does, but a lot of them don't. I think the spiral has a real effect on it. This one's a lot lighter, so there's not much in here. But there's like lines in there. Definite pattern again. There's like there's straight up lines in there. I wonder if it has anything to do with the pattern. I don't know if it's me just looking for a pattern, but if I can get this to stay up. And I can put the one next to it. To see if you see what I'm seeing. I don't know, maybe I'm just looking for a pattern, but it looks like there's a definite pattern in there that's similar to the eye. It's all here, here, here. There's definite lines there. Anyway, I don't know. Judge for yourself. I'm just testing them. I'm just having fun doing it. So that's this one. There's another one. This one has the shells in it. So it has an actual shell in there, you can see. Same thing, crushed shells, copper, magnetite, and actual neodymium magnet inside. Came out again. You can see like a little indentation in there. From here. This last one really tripped me out. I'm going to show you right now. Because I was really expecting something out of this one. And there was really nothing. And I think, oh wow, there is something in there. You just can't really. So, I don't know if you can see. I thought there was nothing in there, but I don't know if you can see it. There's like a hazy kind of ball in the center. It's kind of suspended in there. Wow. I thought there was nothing in there because there's no real design. I don't know if you can see it or not. Or zoom out. Get that water out of there. Get on those plants. Anyway. So you can see it now. There's I'm always surprised on what happens on these things. So this is this one. I've done this as a black sunflower I used before in a previous one. This one. It's got some little rainbow in there too. And this is all the same water too. This is just reverse osmosis drinking water. This is a black sunflower, same design or same makeup as the other ones. Crushed up shells, magnetite, I believe there's a neodymium magnet in here as well. Some of them don't. Some of them have spirals too, some of them don't. But with these I can't really see a lot of the times. I made so many I can't remember which one's which, but that's one of the earlier ones. But this one has, there's like a bubble on the inside. So the bottom is where the bubbles are. It created an air pocket on the inside. Pick it up. You can see, like, I thought there was nothing in here, like no design, but there's air in there. So I don't know, it created some kind of bubble. So this is this one. This is a trip. There's air on the inside. You can see this. That's a trip. Maybe, I don't know what's going on here. I'm gonna try and break it in. You can see the bubble in there. I don't know if it was in the way it was cooling or what, but that's not necessarily normal. Maybe if somebody else has any kind of ideas. I'm going to break it open and see what was, since it was sitting on top of like this. And you can see that bubble in there. It froze that way. So I'll break it open now just to see. It is hollow on the inside. So this happened. It's got some nice color in there too. I like that. But really nice colors on there. You can see how you can see it. This stuff never ceases to amaze me. So this is where the design was actually sitting, on top like this. It's upside down. But that's it. Keep playing with the, I don't know how I could freeze like that or what happened, but there's something going on with that energy. Anyway, would love to hear what people think about that. And the other ones are pretty much the same. And this was the rose quartz one. So this one again, basic design, basic patterns. So this is a crystal you can just buy anywhere, and it's not polished or anything, but the energy coming off of there. The other one's cool. This one had the eye of Horus in there, wherever that is. In there. And Black Sunflower created this really wonderful outcome here and colors. This one. So fifth Orgone ice experiment. Until next time, peace, love, harmony.